The number one question is your marketing effective? A lot of businesses, a lot of startups, they're trying to market their businesses, but they're not doing it very well. So, how would you know that your marketing is not effective? Today, we are going to be discussing those topics and figuring out how to do marketing right, how to make it more effective so that it actually serves your business. And if you like this video, just like, comment, share, follow my video, and subscribe. Follow my channel and click the bell icon so that you're subscribed to future notification as well. So let's get into it. Essentially, what is marketing? Marketing is focused on demand generation and lead generation. What does that mean exactly? Demand generation, what it means is it needs to create a demand for your product or service in the marketplace. जब आप मार्केट में जाओगे तो आपके प्रोडक्ट की या सर्विस की मार्केट में डिमांड होगी, वो क्रिएट करना उसको मार्केटिंग कहते हैं. मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स में ये अंतर होता है कि मार्केटिंग डिमांड जनरेट करता है और सेल्स वो डिमांड को क्लोज करके वैल्यू क्रिएट करता है. दैट इज द फंडामेंटल डिफरेंस बिटवीन मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स. सो essentially marketing, as I mentioned, it's focused on creating demands and using that demand which is generated and converting them into leads. So this is the entire process which marketing does: generating demand, converting into leads, and converting them into warm leads so that they have the interest of buying from you. Now the question becomes, is your marketing effective? Essentially, if you look at it every month for any business, right, you need to be looking at getting at least 50 to 100 calls with potential new clients every month. Only if you do that can you consider your marketing to be effective, that you're actively generating new demand for your product, you're actively generating new leads for your product, and that then translates into actual calls, actual discussions with them, out of which you can expect to close maybe 5, 10, 20, depending on the conversion rate, depending on the price point, जो हर business के लिए अलग अलग होता है. That is how the typical scenario goes. Now the question is, are you really getting that many number of calls? From what my discussion has been with a lot of founders, most of them, they struggle to reach even 10 calls in a month. 10 new prospective demand generation in a month. Now imagine if you have like only 5 to 10 calls in a month, out of which the conversion rate is 10 to 20%. So you get only 1 to 2 new clients a month. Now imagine the kind of pressure that it would put on your business, right? If you're selling something which costs like 1 lakh rupees and you have like only 1 to 2 new clients in a month, that means only 2 lakh rupees of additional revenue every month. Obviously that's going to put significant amount of pressure on your business, right? And that is why it clearly highlights that the marketing system is ineffective. To make the marketing system more effective, what you need to do is you need to start reaching out to more people, start doing more aggressive outreach, start doing more prospecting with the help of LinkedIn, with the help of email, with the help of other channels, so that you can get more customers, so that you can get more leads to begin with. Those leads are then warmed up and then upgraded to become customers. That is what is required to convert the system, right? So essentially, if you're relying only on referrals which you get within your network, you're never going to get that kind of number. A lot of people, they work with referral networks like BNI, their local chamber of commerce, etc. They are good to generate a steady volume of business for you, but they are not enough. It's a part of the marketing mix, but you need to have a steady stream of cold clients which are coming in as well, whom you warm up on an ongoing basis and then convert them into client. Think about it, right? At any point of time in the market, right, of all the people which are there in your industry, only 2, 4 or 5% of them at any point of time they are looking for actually purchasing something. The rest 95% are not looking to buy anything. So how do you get those 95% people excited? You get them excited to buy from you in the future by constantly staying in touch with them with the help of marketing automation. You constantly send them newsletters, you send value to them, you send information to them, you help them make their choice better, help them, guide them, why your product is better, why they should think about these multiple elements before they buy something. Getting along those lines, it builds that kind of inherent rapport and trust, so that eventually when they're looking to buy something, you would then become the first choice for them. And that is where most of the value is captured, and that's what most businesses ignore, the 95%. They only want to reach out to people who want to buy right now, which is like a small 2 to 4%, and ignore the complete 94-95% of the market. That's where actual money is. So how do you reach out to that large number of audience, right? Primarily, you reach them out with the help of cold LinkedIn prospecting, where you reach out to hundreds of people on a daily basis. You reach out to cold email, which you can do it to thousands of emails on a daily basis. Essentially, reaching out to your entire market in maybe say 3 or 6 months, and you follow them up with cold emails on a recurring basis. Once you do that, you will have a tremendous amount of potential prospects which may not buy from you right now, but in 3 months, 6 months, a year down the line, they would actually buy for you and then make you that kind of money which is required. So that is primarily the entire focus of converting from just an immediate need marketing to a longer marketing. And this entire process is done with the help of marketing, because you cannot have your sales team follow up with these people, because your sales team is focusing on closing immediately what is closable, not on following up with the 95 or 95% people which do not have the requirement at this stage, which may require in the future. To constantly engage them, that's what your marketing needs to do, and that's the essential and the entire role of marketing. So now that I've given you this entire context about what marketing is supposed to be, what do you think? Is your marketing effective or not? Are you prospecting enough new people or not? If not, you can reach out to us. We can help you in terms of setting up your entire prospecting channels, your marketing channels, to help you potentially acquire new leads and clients, which would help you grow your business. So if you're interested, reach out to us, reach out to me on LinkedIn. We'll be happy to discuss how I can help you in terms of growing your business. We already do that at World Trade Center Pune at a very high level, helping extremely large companies grow their business. But even on a personal level, if you are a small size company making, a few crores of revenue, I can definitely help you set up that channel in your business so that you can acquire more clients in your business and grow it to new levels. So if you found that video interesting, like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you're subscribed to all future videos, and I look forward to see you inside. Take care. Bye bye.